Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can verify your domain using the Facebook Business Manager for WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, I will be using this meta article since I do not have access to any of the options that are needed for this, since I do not have a paid version of WordPress, so I can't access these files. But it is what it is. You guys should understand this very clearly, even through my explanation of my own words. So yeah, let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do to connect the two is go into your business manager and click on business settings and add a domain through here. Just go into brand safety, click on domains and click add, and then add your domain name here and click on add a domain. Then you're going to need to choose the method which you want. You can add DNS/TXT entries to your DNS records to confirm ownership, which I do not know how to do on WordPress at least, so I do not recommend you do this if you don't know what you're doing. You can if you do. So that is one option that is available to you. You just need to add a TXT DNS record and then just add the text you get through the DNS verification method, and that's pretty much it. Alternatively, you can upload an HTML file, which you just download from the Meta Business Manager, and then you need to use an FTP client to gain access to your files on your WordPress site, and then you just need to upload that HTML file to your site, and then you just need to click verify after you make sure that that file has been uploaded. Once that's done, you should be verified. And there's also another way that you can do this. Now, you can add a meta tag, which I do recommend as an option. You just need to have access to your site's native HTML code. So just enter that code, and then you need to copy your meta tag that you get from the manager on Facebook. Then you just need to copy it and paste it over into the head section of your site before the first body section. And then once you're done with that, just click verify at the bottom next to the meta tag verification tab, and that should be basically all you need to do. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys how this is done by doing it myself, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.